Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a closer look at a timeless essential in any serious kitchen setup, the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer in the dried rose finish. If you're someone who bakes regularly or wants to upgrade your kitchen workflow with a machine that handles everything from whipping cream to kneading dense dough, this is one of the most reliable tools you can own. The first thing you notice is the dried rose color. It's elegant, subtle, and blends beautifully with both modern and vintage kitchens. But beauty aside, this mixer is powered by a strong, dependable motor that keeps its speed consistent even under heavy loads. You get a 5-quart stainless steel bowl that's large enough for big batches, whether you're mixing cookie dough for the whole family or whipping up bread dough for the week. The tilt-head design makes it extremely practical. It gives you easy access to switch attachments, scrape the bowl, or add ingredients without slowing down your workflow. Speaking of attachments, you get the essentials: flat beater, dough hook, and wire whisk, covering everything from cakes to sourdough. The included pouring shield prevents spills and keeps your countertop clean, especially when handling flour or powdered sugar. What makes the Artisan series stand out is its legendary durability. Many people use the same mixer for 10 to 20 years because the build quality is that solid. Plus, with 10 precise speed settings, you get complete control over every recipe, from slow stirring to high-speed whipping. This model also supports over 10 optional attachments sold separately, turning it into a pasta roller, food grinder, vegetable spiralizer, and more. If you're looking to invest in a long-lasting mixer that performs flawlessly and adds a premium touch to your kitchen aesthetic, the KitchenAid Artisan in dried rose is a beautiful and dependable choice. If you want to grab it, check the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more product reviews on the channel.